Pregnancy is a time when nutrition is paramount, not just for the health of the mother, but also for the developing baby. Smoothies can be a delicious way to pack in those essential vitamins and minerals. Let's blend up some health with these pregnancy-friendly smoothie recipes. First up is the Green Goddess, a smoothie that's as nourishing as it is vibrant. You'll need a cup of spinach, rich in folate, and a banana for that much-needed potassium. Add a half cup of Greek yogurt for calcium and protein, a tablespoon of chia seeds for omega-3s, and a splash of orange juice for a citrusy zing. Blend with ice until smooth. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients that supports both mother and baby's health. Next is the Berry Blast, a sweet treat full of antioxidants. Start with a cup of mixed berries. Think blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Berries are high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Include a half cup of cottage cheese for a creamy texture and protein boost. Add a small beetroot for iron and a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Blend with ice for a refreshing and revitalizing drink that's as delicious as it is beneficial. Lastly, let's go on a tropical getaway with the tropical twist. Combine a cup of chopped mango, which provides vitamin A for baby's development, with a half cup of pineapple for digestive enzymes. Include a slice of ginger to ease morning sickness and a scoop of protein powder to keep you full longer. Blend with coconut water for hydration and a taste of the tropics. This smoothie is a delightful way to stay energized and nourished. These smoothie recipes are more than just tasty treats. They're crafted to support a healthy pregnancy. Remember, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before making any dietary changes. Here's to your health and a happy, vibrant pregnancy journey.